Hi ladies, I'm Ingrid and so happy you're here with me. I'm very excited to show you how to do a hip movement, side to side hip movement. So we're going to learn how to do it in place, and then I'm going to show you how to move forward with it and backwards. And at the end, I'm just going to show you 1, 2, even 3 type of hand movements you can add to this so that you can use your own creative mind and just for you to have a variety to choose from. So let's get started. So please remember always to have a nice posture, relaxed shoulders, tummy slightly tucked in, just feeling straight and relaxed, and bend your knees slightly and never hurt yourself. Only do what feels comfortable for you. With practice you'll get better. All right ladies, let's go. So I'm just gonna step back so you can see. So we're gonna start with the right side. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna bend your knees slightly, nice straight relaxed posture. So you're gonna push your hip out to the side while your upper body is staying in place. All right, so just start with your right leg. As you're pushing it out, push your hip out as well. Okay, so it goes up like this. So to the right, out, up, back, down. Okay, out, middle, right, out, back to the middle, out, middle, out, middle, out, middle. It helps to just use your toes to push your hip out, and if you can only do this much, then that's fine as well. You don't need to push out more than you're capable of pushing out, so don't hurt yourself. It will look just as good doing a small movement as long as you do it comfortably and confidently. That's all that matters. Let's do the left side now. So same thing, knees bent, you're pushing your left out, use your toe if it helps, and push out and then back, left out and up, down, out and little bit up, down, out, back, out, back, left, middle, middle. Okay ladies, so what we're gonna, so you can keep practicing this until you feel confident. So let's move on. So what we're gonna do is obviously we're gonna do right, left, right. So let's go to the right, out, come back to the middle, knees slightly bent, and then left, middle, little bit of a bounce here, right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, one more, right, middle, left, middle. Okay, next step is to put a little bit of bounce and rocking here in the middle, so that obviously we are dancing, so it needs to feel relaxed and it needs to be fluid. So what we're gonna do is, so it should look like this. Do you see this little rocking here? All right, so let's go. So this is how we're gonna do it. So out to the right. As you're coming back, you're gonna, it's like a little bounce, let's say. It's like you're almost rocking to the left, to the right, to give the strength from the right to push the left up. So left is coming back now. You're going down slightly and rocking slightly here to the left and pushing to the right. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So let me come a bit closer. So go to the right. As you're coming, you're going down slightly to the left and slightly down to the right to push to the left. Okay, and let's do the left side. Left, come down slightly to the right, then slightly back to the left before you push out to the right. Okay, it might, hopefully it doesn't seem so complicated. It really isn't once you once you practice it more and more, you will see it comes naturally. You won't even think about doing the little rocking in between. The more you do it, the more natural it will feel. And it's actually easier when you do it faster rather than doing it the way I'm breaking it down now. But let's do it one more time. So we're gonna go to the right, push out, come back, left takes the pressure here, and as you're going down a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, as you're kind of bouncing here, and then from the right we're using that pressure from, because the weight is on your right, to push out to your left, and then come down slightly to the left and then push out. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster, okay, together. So you can hold your hands like this, as you can see, because I want you to be able to see, so I'm holding my arms, so you can do whatever you want with your arms while you're practicing. Okay, ladies, so we'll do right to the left. We'll do it a little bit faster just for you to get the feel, all right? So I'm gonna count to 3, 2, 1, and then we'll begin from the right. And we'll do a couple just for you to get the feel of it, how it is faster. Don't focus too much on getting it right. Get the flow, and then you will get to those technical bits, and it's just gonna feel very natural in the future. All right, 3, 2, 1, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. One more, right, left. Okay, ladies, I hope I explained it well and that you understand how to do this now. Just keep practicing. All right, next thing is we're gonna move forward and then backwards. All right, so I'm just gonna stand here. So the way we're gonna do it is exactly the same things, but we're moving at the same time, all right? So, because you can't do this one too long in one place. You're gonna want to move with this type of movement. So it's really nice, a couple in place, but then it's really amazing once you can move forward or backwards or circle with it. There's so much you can do. All right, so today we'll go forward and backwards. So we're doing the same thing. So as you do right out, and when you're coming back here in the middle, you're just gonna step forward slight. It's like you're stepping for, oops, losing my balance. You're stepping forward half a foot, okay? And then you're already preparing to go left. So go left, and as you're coming back here, the left leg comes forward now half a foot. And then you do the right, and come back, move forward with this just a little bit again. Let's just remember half a foot, okay? And then same thing, left. The one that goes out and comes back when you're doing this little rocking is the one that moves forward, okay? Because that gives the pressure is here so that this one can lift, the right one, and push out. So like that. Let's start again. All right, we'll start with the right side. Right, come back, and the right one, you're stepping forward slightly with half a foot. And left hip, come back, walk half a foot forward, and then you push the right. So each step, each push, we're moving forward slightly. And we're not stepping forward big steps, just small steps, so that we can make this movement, still keep it going fluid-like and really beautiful and elegant, but we're doing it with small steps. So one more time, ladies. So I'm just backing so you can see. Okay, so we're going to the right. 3, 2, 1. 1, middle, left, forward slightly, right out, forward slightly, left out, forward slightly, right out, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left, forward. Okay, So you can just keep practicing this and you will see you get much better at it the more you do. It's really, really actually a beautiful movement and you can do so much with this. All right, ladies, so we're gonna do exactly the same thing, moving backwards now. So I'm just standing so you can see me. I'll just show you from here just so you can see my feet. So we're doing the same thing. So what we'll do is, so you're doing it in place, back, left. So as the left one comes back, it straight away takes a half step back. So the weight will be on your left, the one that goes back first, so that you can start with your right hip now. Same thing out. And as the right one comes back, we're stepping half a foot back. So the weight is on the right. And you then do the left. And as the left comes back, you step half a step back, okay? And then the right, half a step back. Okay, I'm just gonna come a little bit closer. So I hope you understand how it works now. It's actually the same thing, but instead of moving forward half a step, half a foot, we're doing it backwards. So the right out, come back, left. As my left now comes back, we're stepping slightly backwards, so the weight is on the left as we're preparing to push the right back. Right to the side, and now back with the right, weight is on the right, and we're pushing out with the left. Left back, step back, half foot, and then right back. So when you do it faster, it goes like this. Okay, ladies? All right, let's do it one more time, a little bit faster, and then we'll start from the beginning, in place, forward and back. All right, so let's start with the right again. So remember, we're doing right, as this one comes, no, we start right, left, and then this comes back straight away, and right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back, right, back, left, back. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and all it takes is practice. And the more you do it, you will see you won't have to think so much about it. It just comes naturally, comes natural to you. So let's start in place and we'll move forward, in place and come back. All right, ladies? Okay then. So we'll start with the right side as always. And I'm not going to tell you half a step now, and because now you know, just do it. And the more you do it, it will become second nature to you. All right, ladies. So we'll start with the right. 3, 2, 1. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And let's move forward. Right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And let's do in place, and I'll tell you to go back. All right, right, left, right, left, right, left and back, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Well done, ladies. I hope you can see how amazing this movement is, how much you can do with it. And this is just one thing that I'm showing you, or 3, but you know, in place, forward and back. You can do circles. There's so much you can do. So let me just show you now, final thing, what you can do with your arms. All right, so in place, you know, if you're out there dancing or at any wedding or party or at home, you know, if you do this movement in place, you can just have your arms just up here, not too high up and not too far down, because you're not going to do too many in place anyway. So you can keep it like this. And say you're moving forward, same thing, you can actually keep your arms, holding them up makes the movement more seen because it's so powerful. So you don't want the arms to take over, because this movement is already so powerful. So you know, your hips are doing the talking here. So you can just hold your arms up here and just have like a nice, relaxed, beautiful, elegant hands. You can do that while you're in place or while you're moving forward with it, without them overtaking the hip movement. And when you're coming back, you could just go with your hands on your hair, or just let them be behind you. Okay, so you can do so much with this. Really, it's up to you with your arms, but it's important to let the movement with your hips be the one that shines. These are like the accessories, elevating the movement and making it just look even more powerful, more elegant. So you now know you can do the arms like this, or even just hold them elegantly behind you, to the side, or just behind you when you come back. All right, ladies, I really hope you enjoyed this. I really hope you've learned a lot and enjoyed learning, and I hope you're excited how much you can do with this one movement, how it can make you feel so amazing and, you know, look very professional and someone who just loves to enjoy being feminine and woman. So good luck, ladies, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please, like the video and subscribe if you like, and see you soon. Take care.